Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to your own channel Auto Review Hub. In today's video, we are going to review one of Honda's most popular and stylish motorcycles, the Honda CBR500R. This bike is loved all around the world by riders who want the perfect balance of power, performance, and sporty design. If you are living in Canada or you're curious about the Canadian market, then this review is just for you. Let's start with the design. The Honda CBR500R has a sharp, aggressive, and sporty design. At the front, it comes with sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility at night. The fuel tank has stylish cuts and bold lines that instantly grab attention. The riding position is slightly aggressive, but at the same time comfortable enough for both daily use and long trips. That's one of the reasons this bike is so versatile. Now moving on to the engine. The CBR500R comes with a 471cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine that produces around 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. The engine is extremely smooth and responsive. Whether you're riding in the city or cruising on the highway, this motorcycle delivers power without any stress. The 6-speed gearbox shifts smoothly, and the overall performance feels very refined. When it comes to mileage, the Honda CBR500R performs surprisingly well for a sport bike. In Canada, test rides show that it can deliver around 27 to 28 km per liter, which is impressive in this category. The fuel tank has a capacity of 17 liters, which means you can cover long distances without worrying too much about refueling. Safety is also well taken care of. The CBR500R comes with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, supported by an anti-lock braking system (ABS). This ensures better control in emergency situations. The suspension setup is also solid, telescopic forks in the front and an adjustable monoshock at the rear. Thanks to this setup, the bike remains stable even on uneven roads or bumpy surfaces. Now let's talk about the price in the Canadian market. The brand new Honda CBR500R is priced at around $8,300 to $8,500 Canadian dollars. For a sport bike with this level of features, performance, and Honda's reliability, the price is quite reasonable. In the used market, depending on the condition, you can find a CBR500R for around $5,000 to $6,500 Canadian dollars. That makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious riders. This bike is especially popular among riders who want a sport bike experience without spending too much money. The weight is around 192 kilograms, which makes it fairly manageable. Even newer riders can handle it with some practice, although complete beginners might need a little time to get used to the power compared to smaller bikes. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The biggest advantages of the Honda CBR500R are its stylish design, smooth and reliable engine, and good fuel economy. Honda motorcycles are well known for their durability and low maintenance, and this bike is no exception. Another plus point is that it's comfortable enough for long trips, which is not always the case with sport bikes. On the downside, some riders feel that the CBR500R is more of an entry-level sport bike. For riders who are looking for very high performance, it might feel underpowered. However, for the majority of riders, especially those who want style, performance, and daily usability in one package, this motorcycle is just perfect. So friends, this was our full review of the Honda CBR500R. What do you think about this bike? Do you feel it offers good value for its price? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more car, motorcycle, and bus reviews every week, only on Auto Review Hub.